How do you build line charts in Power BI? In this example, we're going to look at how to build a line chart by month and year, and then build a second line chart that's split into multiple lines by region and has a drill down from year to month. Let's head over to Power BI and take a look. In order to build a line chart, click on the line chart option. Let's make this a little bit bigger. Click on the checkbox for order date. I only want it to be year and month, not day or quarter, so I can remove quarter and I can remove day. To populate the line chart, we could bring in sales and put it on the y-axis. The line chart defaulted to be at the lowest level, so you have each year and month combo. We could bring it back up at the top by clicking this drill up button. And if you click the drill down option, that gives the end user the ability to click on a mark and drill down, and then click drill up to drill back up. Now I have a line chart just by year. I can cut this line chart by region by dragging region onto legend. That's going to give me one color for each region, and you're going to have the same effect. I can drill all the way down to the lowest level of the hierarchy by clicking this button. In order to build a line chart by month and year, we're going to need a calculation. But let's start by clicking on the line chart option and bringing sales onto the y-axis and bringing order date onto the x-axis. Let's remove quarter and remove day. We don't need that much detail. You'll see that I get each month and year combo, but if I drill down, let's see how to make sure we always keep the month and the year in the line chart. To the data pane, we're going to write a calculation for month year. The calculation is simply going to be start of month, open parentheses, and pass in your order date. If I go back to the chart, and this time use month year, drag that over order date, we can remove order date completely, and change it from the hierarchy to just the month year. Now it doesn't matter what the end user does, we always see month and year in the line chart. And that's how you build line charts in Power BI.